What is this? Let me look.
A school drawing contest? Wow.
No way! The prize is a great paint set. Do you like that paint set, Bill? Yeah, I love it. Bill, your backpack. I need to sign up now. I will try my best to win. Oh no! Bill's backpack is still here. This contest is fun. I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's start. I know what to draw. My family. This is Dad Tony with his bicycle. And this is Mom Lisa with flowers. Anna likes reading books under a tree. I will draw my happy family. And there it is, my happy family. I'm finished. Good luck, Bill. I want my picture to look perfect. Just a few more lines. It looks great. Bill, time is up. Please give me your drawing. I hope everyone likes my picture. This is my best drawing. You worked hard. Good luck, Bill. Maybe I can win. Ha ha! I really want that new paint set. It is amazing if I win. Wait, where's my backpack? Oh no! I left it on the bench! This is bad! My things are in there! My books and homework. And my favorite pencil case, too. I need to go to school right now. I hope my backpack is there. Please don't lose it.
That's strange. Whose backpack is this?
I'm here. I hope my backpack is safe. No way! Where is it? Has anyone seen my blue backpack? Oh no! It's really gone!
Stay calm. Look around here.
I checked the hall and the yard.
I don't see it. I hope you find it.
I should go home. I'm so sad. I must be more careful next time. Bill, what's wrong?
You look sad.
I'm okay. I just tired.
What's wrong? Do you want to talk?
I'm sorry. I lost my backpack. I forgot it because of the contest.
It's okay, Bill Blackingbat. Just be careful.
Don't worry. We will find it. I have a fantastic idea. Let's go to school tomorrow.
We always love you, Bill.
We are here. Let's look together. Sir, have you seen my blue backpack?
I don't see it. I don't see it. Ask the teacher.
I asked many people, but no one knows. Don't give up, Bill. We will find it. Bill, are you looking for this?
My backpack. Thank you.
I found it on the bench yesterday.
This is a good lesson. Be careful next time.
Wait, Bill. I have something for you.
Huh? What is this?
These are the results of the contest. Open it, Bill. I'm excited. No way!
Is this real? I won first place. I won.
Congratulations, my boy. Great job.
I will never forget this day. I want this paint set for a long time. I'm lucky to have my family.
We always love and support you.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.